Hey guys, let's see how to reset our Reolink camera. I have different models here. You see this one, there's a button to reset just right here. You need to use a paper clip. And there's this other one that you just need to press a button here close to the power cable, right? So super simple, let's just start with this one. First, I'm gonna show you that I have the Reolink app here and I have the cameras. So here is one of them and you see that's working, right? And then I have the other one also working here, and then I can just come and reset the camera. This one I just need to come and open this flap, this rubber flap here, and there's a reset button just right here. Okay, so there's information. Let me just approach here so you see better. There we go. Here's the reset button. You just need to press and hold for a while, and you're gonna hear a sound and the LED changes. You see here the sound 2 times, and the LED is going to change here from blue to red. You hear this sound and the camera is ready for the setup again, and it keeps beeping like this with the sonar sound, and it's ready to go, right? It's reset. So we'll just come here and turn it off so it stops doing such a noise, and then I will come here to this other camera. That's the Reolink camera that you need to use a cable to power the camera. It's coming from my PoE switch, so the cable powers the camera, or you can use a power adapter to power the camera from here. Either way, you just need to press this button to reset the camera. You just turn the camera off by removing the cable here that powers the camera, either of them, and you just press and hold this button here. Sometimes it's a little hard to press and hold, and at the same time you just need to connect the cable again here, right? So let me just put that away so it's not inserted yet. I'm just preparing here, and then I press here, hold it, there we go, and then I power the camera. Let me just try again. You see, sometimes it's a little bit hard to do it. Let me just press here, hold it, and then I just power the camera and I keep holding here, right? And then you wait for a while. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then you let it go, and then your camera is reset, right? So you just need to come here to the app and add the cameras again. Here you just need to, for example, remove the camera from here. You just need to delete them from the app as well. Just here on settings, delete this one as well. And then when you're adding new devices, you just need to use this QR code here on this camera. Read the QR code, right, to add the camera again for this Reolink Argus. And for this one, you just need to use the LAN option here. You see that finds the camera in the network, and then you can add the camera again, right, after the reset. So super simple. Basically, that's the way you can reset Reolink camera. There's a button here for this one. You need a paper clip, and here you just need to press the button and power the camera while holding the button. I hope that helps. Leave your comments, subscribe, and I see you in the next one.